Hi guys, what's up? This is Dr. Zero Amelia and this is episode 14, Elevator Rescue. I previously uploaded this video to show you guys how I was trained as a US firefighter in Tidewater Regional Fire Academy, Class 156, way back 2016. This video is a little shaky, owing to the fact that I attached my GoPro Hero session to my firefighter helmet. Video taking was not allowed in the Fire Academy. In here, Chief Reynolds is showing us how to open the elevator using keys. There is a hole on top of every outer elevator door. It connects to the clutch mechanism wherein you can manually override the doors and open them even without power. Inside the elevator, a mechanic's key overrides the control. Here, Chief Reynolds shows us what happens when you reset the elevator controls using those keys. The elevator drops down gently to ground level and opens as if it was programmed to do so. The same thing also happens or is supposed to happen when power comes back on after a power failure. This is why backup generators have elevators as a priority. It is not shown here, but in high-rise buildings they have a separate mechanics room to control the elevators. That footage was inserted somewhere else when we visited the Amada Hoffler in Virginia Beach. Mechanics and firefighters can reset the system and bring the elevator's occupants back down to ground level safely in that room. Now this part is reserved only for special circumstances. Very rarely do firefighters get to do this with modern elevators, but it is important that we know how to open the elevator from up top. Rescuers take a position one level above the car and spot an area where the clutch mechanism can be overridden. This is different for every elevator and it takes a master firefighter to know this stuff. You use a prying tool, slender enough to fit between the inner and outer doors, and pull the clutch bar to open the elevator doors. In Virginia Beach, there are only a small number of elevators. Each career firefighter in every situation has to train to open the elevator doors in their jurisdiction. Thankfully, the building owners in Virginia Beach volunteered to participate in simulation trainings like this one with the fire department. You don't need to be versed in every type and kind of elevator there is in the world to become a subject matter expert. All you need is the knowledge that counts when the situation calls for your expertise. The audio is imperceptible. I had to artificially boost the audio on my first editor. That brought up some unwanted ambient noise as we were at an elevator in a 2-story parking garage. I had to add some background music in an effort to drown it all out. The downside is that you can't get to hear Chief Reynolds' instructions as he introduced us to awareness level training for elevator rescue. You see, elevator rescue is an advanced type of technical rescue training. Chief Reynolds is a down-to-earth practical guy. He admits to the class that there may not be a time for us to do an actual elevator rescue in our careers. This is because of the modern safety features built into elevators constructed today. But still, we need to train. The more you sweat in training, the less you bleed on the fire ground. This all may look easy on this video, but when the time constraints and actual lives are at stake, every second will seem like a nightmare for a firefighter conducting elevator rescue. Much more so for occupants stuck in one. So, do you like this video? Give me a thumbs up and hell yeah on the comments. I have hundreds more firefighter videos to remake, so make sure you click subscribe and ring that bell for TRFA 156 notification. Be sure to check out the link to show notes on the description box below. This is your resident fire training instructor in YouTube with a medical degree, Zero MD, signing off. Peace out. Peace out.